Welcome to the first episode of Can a Digital Marketer Like Me Sell a Product to You? I am Tarushi Chaudhary, a digital marketer, a storyteller, and a traveler. And for the next few days, I'm going to pick up one product every day and try and sell it to you to understand whether or not digital marketers can sell a product to the audience. Today's product is being backed up by one of Bollywood's leading ladies. I am talking about Kriti Senon and her brand Hyphen. And today we are going to talk about her product All I Need Sunscreen SPF 50. मैं क्योंकि सिर्फ तीन चीजें यूज करती हूँ, एक है सनस्क्रीन, एक है आईलाइनर और एक है लिपस्टिक. इसके अलावा मेरी स्किन पे मुझे कुछ भी सूट नहीं करता because I start getting these pimples and rashes. So my dermatologist actually suggested me to just use sunscreen and nothing else. So since last few weeks, I have been using Hyphen, and trust me, this is one of the best sunscreens that I can suggest to anyone. This cream moisturizes your skin and it's very, very light. Also, this product is easily available everywhere. You can order it from their website or any delivery app. तो आपके घर में 5-10 मिनट में ये product आ भी जाएगा. One of the best parts I found about this product was that Kriti Senon is actually talking about it. She's also taking feedbacks, which is absolutely brilliant in terms of marketing. The bottle is really sleek. इसका ऊपर का cover मैंने फेंक दिया है जिस डब्बे में ये आया था, कि बहुत पहले ही मैंने यूज करनी शुरू कर दी थी. The color is very nice. It's neon. It's very Gen Z, so it's very appealing. The bottle is very light. Even the packaging of it is very good. Yes, it's a brand new product, and over the years they're going to keep on changing how the product looks, how the packaging looks. But for now, I think they have got it bang on. And even the range that these products come in is quite frankly very good. It's not too expensive. It's not too cheap. So if you have been spending around 500-600 rupees in other sunscreens, I would recommend you to go and buy this one and try it for your skin. तो ये पूरा रिव्यू सुनने के बाद आप कन्विंस हो गए या मैं थोड़ा और बोलूं? In case आप convinced हो गए हैं and if you're going to buy this product, do leave a comment telling me what was it about this review that convinced you to buy this product. You can also let me know which other product you would like me to review. अगर वो मेरे बजट में हुआ तो मैं जरूर खरीद के उसको रिव्यू करूंगी. Now let's talk about our bonus package. If you're someone who cannot afford a marketing agency, do not have an in-house team, or has recently started their own brand and do not want to invest so much into a team, then I have something for you. I'm offering an hour-long one-on-one digital marketing strategy call. During this call, you can ask me as many questions as you want. We can sit down and work on a strategy for your brand. We can even start a campaign for your product. If you're interested to schedule this call, drop the word strategy in the comment or send me a DM and I will send you the registration link. Please note it is going to be a paid session. This was episode 1 of Can a Digital Marketer Like Me Sell a Product to You?